Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the iOS kit into Figma so you can work fast. Open the app, sign in, and duplicate the community file to your drafts. Once done, create a new file and place an iPhone frame. Use iPhone 13 Pro or your target device size so components scale correctly. Make sure to inspect the kit's components page. That gives you symbols, text styles, and color tokens you'll reuse throughout the design. Now you build screens by dragging components from assets and swapping variants for states, buttons, cells, and tab bars. You should apply text styles and color tokens instead of manually styling, because consistency saves time when iterating. Once elements are placed, group them with auto layout to manage spacing and responsive behavior. Set horizontal or vertical direction, padding, and resizing rules. This makes component finish by wiring interactions in prototype mode. Connect frames, choose transitions, and test on device to verify flow. When exporting, generate 1x, 2x, and 3x assets and keep layer names clear for developers. Use SVG for icons when possible. If something goes wrong, components misalign or styles look off, reset the instance to the main component, relink the text and color styles, and check auto layout constraints. That single troubleshooting step often restores intended behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.